Feeling joint pain? What is JointVive? Are your joints screaming for relief? Many people feel this way. Pain in your knees can be hard. Pain in your hands can stop you. Even your hips or shoulders can hurt. This pain can make life tough. Simple things become a big problem. You just want to feel better. Joint pain can change your day. You might not want to move much. Walking upstairs can feel bad. Playing with your kids is hard. Gardening might be out of the question. This is not how life should be. Everyone wants to be active. Everyone wants to enjoy their days. So, what can you do for help? There are many choices out there. Some people try exercise or rest. Others look for natural support. This is where JointVive comes in. JointVive is a special supplement. It is made to help your joints. It wants to give you some comfort. JointVive is designed for joint health. Its main goal is to help you. It wants to ease your discomfort. It also wants to help you move. Many people look for natural ways. They want something gentle for their body. JointVive uses ingredients from nature. It is a pill you can take each day. JointVive uses things from nature. These are called natural ingredients. They are chosen very carefully. Each one has a special job. They work together in the pill. The idea is to support your joints. Let's look at some of these helpers. They come from plants and other sources. One important ingredient is turmeric. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice. You might know it from cooking. It has been used for a long time. People use it for health reasons. Turmeric contains curcumin. Curcumin is thought to help with swelling. Swelling can make joints feel sore. Another key part is glucosamine. Your body makes some glucosamine. It is found in your cartilage. Cartilage is like a cushion for joints. Glucosamine in supplements can help. It may support your cartilage health. This can be good for joint comfort. It helps keep things working smoothly. Boswellia extract is also in JointVive. This comes from a special tree. It is sometimes called Indian frankincense. Like turmeric, it has a long history. People have used it for joint health. Boswellia is known to help with soreness. It can also help you move better. It works gently with your body. It is good to hear from others. What do real users say about JointVive? Many people have tried this supplement. They share their own stories. Some say it has helped them a lot. They feel less pain in their joints. They can move around more easily. These stories can give hope. One person shared their good news. They said their knee pain was bad. It was hard to walk or climb stairs. After taking JointVive, they felt better. The pain was not so strong. They could walk more each day. They felt happier and more active. This is a wonderful thing to hear. Another user had trouble with their hands. Their fingers would feel stiff and sore. Simple tasks like opening a jar were hard. They started taking JointVive regularly. Slowly, they noticed a change. Their hands felt less stiff. They could do their hobbies again. This made a big difference in their life. Of course, everyone is different. What works for one person might not for another. Some people see big changes with JointVive. Others might see smaller changes, and some may not feel much difference, but many users report good results. They say JointVive helps them feel better. It helps them enjoy life more. Section 4. How does JointVive aim to work? So, how does JointVive try to help? First, let's think about our joints. Joints are where your bones meet. They help you bend and move. Things like cartilage protect your joints. Fluid helps them move smoothly. Sometimes these parts can have problems. This can lead to pain and stiffness. JointVive works in a few ways. One main way is to help with swelling. Swelling is also called inflammation. When joints are swollen, they hurt. Ingredients like turmeric and boswellia are key here. They are known for their calming effects. They try to reduce this swelling. Less swelling can mean less pain. JointVive also aims to support cartilage. Cartilage is the cushion in your joints. Over time it can wear down. This can make joints feel rough. Ingredients like glucosamine are important. Glucosamine is a building block for cartilage. By supporting cartilage, joints may feel better. This can help with smoother movement. The overall goal is better joint function. JointVive wants you to move with ease. It wants to reduce your discomfort. The natural ingredients work together. They try to address common joint issues. By helping with swelling and cartilage, JointVive aims to improve your joint health. This can lead to a more active life. Section 5. JointVive. The good, the not so good, and our final thoughts. Let's sum up what we know. JointVive is a natural supplement. It is made to help your joints. It wants to make you feel better. It wants to help you move more freely. Many people look for options like this. They want something natural for their body. JointVive tries to be that option. What are the good things about JointVive? First, it uses natural ingredients. Things like turmeric and glucosamine are known. They have been studied for joint health. Many users say it helps them. They report less pain and better movement. It is easy to take, just a pill. This makes it simple to use daily. Are there any downsides or things to know? Well, results can be different for everyone. Some people might feel a big change, others might feel a small change. It is not a magic pill for instant relief. Supplements often take time to work. You need to take it regularly. Also, it is good to talk to your doctor. So, what is our balanced view? JointVive seems like a good product. It has good ingredients for joint health. Many people find it helpful. But remember, it is a supplement. It works best with a healthy lifestyle. Eating good food and moving your body helps too. If you have joint pain, it might be worth trying, especially if you want a natural approach.